He's taken it. Good reaction from Mohammad Asif.
Yes, they'd be better off really choosing a target, and Mohammad Asif clearly cannot be the target because he's so good with the new ball. They are showing great reflexes and
bowled him off the inside edge. 2 wickets in 2 overs for Asif. He struck twice. India in a spot of bother, 9 for 2.
First time that Virender Sehwag has been picked up with an in-dipper by Asif. Really not a great shot from Virender Sehwag. He was out of place, out of shape. Very static at the crease and paying the price with that inside edge, and gleeful Asif.
That's chipped in the air, should be taken. It's off the leading edge. Yuvraj goes, Shoaib Malik, the captain, making no mistake. And India now in trouble. Getting a leading edge, playing early, closing the face of the blade. And just spooning up in the air for a simple catch for the Pakistan captain.
Got him! There you go, says Mohammad Asif, and the ploy of giving him the extra over has worked. This could well be the spell of the tournament so far.
Indeed. Not only he has swung the ball around, but he got the bounce as well. Well, that's how the game has unfolded from Mohammad Asif. His 4th wicket. Dinesh Karthik has been trying to back away from the stumps and aiming the point area. This time around, he wanted to play an orthodox stroke, but the bounce did him on that occasion.